everyone's doing all right at home. It's been a while since I've posted anything, so just kind of want to update on what's going on. Blew my head gasket on my M73 TU. Just been neglecting to get around to it. I'm gonna replace it with my old M73. It's the same block, so everything should switch over just fine. Should maintain street legality and all that stuff. And while I was out, I was gonna adjust my steering box, and it's done. So I went on OfferUp, and totally wasn't expecting to find this. This is a whole front subframe and steering box from an E39 M5. So that'll fix a lot of my issues. I had caster issues with the subframe. As you can see, my wheels frontwards, rubs right here, and it's got bump steer and stuff on the steering on the freeway because this caster's all off. It's subframe from the 7 Series. So that'll be fixed. I won't have any more play in my steering, which is amazing. And I'll have better bushings and all that stuff. So it'll all be good. So kind of excited. Hope you guys are all doing well. It's kind of just what's going on here. Most of the tuners closed for a while until they say it's all good. And yeah, just getting stuff done while I can.